Wright Venture is our pitch competition. It's modeled after the Shark Tank TV show. The winner will receive a $5,000 loan that they can use to start their business. And it's a great opportunity for students to get training and instruction from professionals who guide and consult with entrepreneurs. And it's really an opportunity for them to try to develop a business idea into a workable business plan.
Did really an outstanding job putting their plans together. It's hard to make a presentation on something like that in such a short notice, but really impressed with the students and the product that they put together.
Fresh and fantastic.
This is an opportunity for students to really get some experience and feedback from business professionals on their business ideas.
So I don't want to waste any time.
This is really a terrific group of students, really representative of the many great students that we have here who are willing to put in a lot of time and effort into learning more about business outside of the classroom.
So always looking for ways that we can assist entrepreneurs of the city. Some of the technologies and some of the things that they put together here I think might be useful for us. So if there's a way we can help an entrepreneur but also adopt something that's going to help the city, we're certainly looking to do that.
And this year's first place winner is Argus. So I want to congratulate them.
It just kind of validates all the work that I've put in. I'm so excited. I'm just ready to take this thing and just ramp it up even more now. And this is something I've been looking forward to for a couple months.
To see these students really take that education and put it to use is right. It does make me proud to be a Wright State alum.